Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you a pretty awesome product review. This is my 1984 Winnebago, that's a G30 chassis, 24-foot RV. So as you can see, it is in pretty rough shape. So I'm just in the beginning stages of it. I've been having trouble getting this particular video done, pretty much all of my RV videos done, because this has been a complete nightmare, as you can expect. So I've had it sitting in a service department for 3 months. They did absolutely nothing. I'm not even gonna mention who that is. But anyways, so first thing I had to do was change the battery out, because of course I couldn't get it to jump off because it was so dead. So I replaced the battery myself. And then I was actually able to get this thing started, get it running. It does run and drive, but it needs a little bit of service, but it's basically gonna be sitting here. I got a little land out here in Tennessee that this is just gonna be sitting on. But anyways, so the product that I have, let me just get right to that, because this is it's a hot mess per usual. As I come to the back, I have plenty of other products that I need to get to, but this one is AutoVox's solar powered backup camera. So there's the product right there. There's the panel hooked up to it. So you can charge this off of a USB drive there, and I have the cord hooked up there. There's a power button there. This is one of the coolest things I've actually reviewed. And one awesome thing about these products is the adhesive that this is screwed in first and foremost. Just find a spot. You can see I drilled a hole in without paying attention, so I just found another spot, no big deal. But there's a really strong adhesive that's holding up that solar panel, extremely strong. So just make sure you don't overheat that first and foremost, because that can be an issue when you're trying to take it off the paper. Mine's been all over the place. Again, it's been a cluster this whole process, but that's the backup camera there. And where the previous service department did not put my stuff back together the way they should have, I'm actually running this off of the 12 volt that I have hooked up in my van here. So really good picture here. As you can see, that's showing the picture from the back of the RV, and the signal's so strong that with this antenna hooked up, I don't even have to really do much. Like, it's still projecting a great picture. It's pretty much instantaneous as I move, and you can see me in the backup camera there. But you have your guidelines there. You can also, it's hard to do this with one hand, but hit that M, you can adjust your brightness, you can pair. And then my favorite thing is hit this channel button. You can set up 2 screens there. So this can be, let's say, like a 360 view. And then this actually can show you the backup camera while you're getting the 360 view on the second side. And there is that first channel again. So a huge shout out to AutoVox again. Not the best review on my part. I'm gonna do another one just because they've been so gracious and me taking so long to do this. But like, for instance, there's literally just, that's a hot mess right there. So I'm working on that, but I peeled the adhesive off because it got hot and it is super strong. So I peeled it off of the dash in the RV, and there was a wasp that was antagonizing me. So that's kind of why it got ripped right there, because I about had it off and it just kind of swarmed at me. So I panicked. But anyways, that screws to the back there. And just a really simple process. And finally, their instructions are some of the best that I've ever dealt with. So again, huge shout out to AutoVox for letting me get this camera. I will be bringing you all a more updated review as I get this thing fixed. As you can see, I got a lot of work on my hands, but again, huge shout out to AutoVox. This is a fantastic backup camera. I'm not just saying that. It really is. It's just, the idea is great. The product is great. So again, shout out to AutoVox one last time, and thank y'all for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.